Discover Italy's stunning landscapes. Imagine towering, snow-capped peaks that stretch endlessly into the sky. Italy's Alps in the north deliver breathtaking views and tranquil mountain escapes. Whether you're skiing, hiking, or simply soaking in alpine beauty, this region promises serenity and wonder at every turn. Tuscany's golden hills are a painter's dream. Winding roads lead you through vineyards, medieval villages, and sunflower fields. The charm of this region creates a perfect backdrop for moments of peace, exploration, and a taste of authentic Italian culture. Feel the thrill of standing near history's most famous volcanoes. Mount Vesuvius and Etna are not just geological wonders. They're icons of resilience and power. Their rugged beauty and nearby ancient ruins tell stories etched into Italy's soul. Unwind beside the serene waters of Lake Como and Lake Garda. Surrounded by lush hills and quaint villages, these pristine lakes are havens of peace. Picture yourself sailing across the water, embraced by nature's beauty and Italy's timeless charm. Italy's famous islands are Mediterranean masterpieces. Explore Sicily's rich history, dramatic cliffs, and vibrant culture. Wander Sardinia's turquoise beaches and rugged coastline. Each island offers a unique slice of paradise, perfect for any traveler seeking adventure or relaxation. Step into Italy's unparalleled natural beauty and let the landscapes inspire your next adventure. From mountains to seas, every corner is a story waiting to be discovered. Pack your bags and be ready to explore. Italy is calling, and it's time you answered.